Hey, welcome to another Why Us Wednesday. This week, I decided that we're gonna show you the Anaheim shop and also maybe answer a few questions or misconceptions about this shop. So we originally opened up our Signal Hill store, and a few years back we opened up an Orange County location. It is owned by myself and my wife. It is the same as our other shop. The employees working at this particular shop used to work at Signal Hill. So you're getting the exact same quality. You're getting exactly the same training on these guys. We're getting the same products. There's nothing different. There's no co-owner. Exact same company. So I just wanted to address that before we walk inside. I'm going to show you this shop. And then if you have any questions, you can always DM us, give us a call or anything like that. So here we go. Welcome to Anaheim. First, before I give you the tour, I know the camera's a little bit shaky. I apologize. I just had an energy drink. I'm going to buy a gimbal before next video, I promise. Back to our regular scheduled program. So this is our lobby at Anaheim. This is our front desk where you would come and drop off, pick up, ask questions, get quotes, ask for discounts, whatever you want to do, you can do it all at the front desk right here. If you are waiting for a car, we do actually have a customer lounge over here. And in our lounge, we've got some refreshments. We have a TV that's not turned on, but I swear it does turn on. And chairs and things, and you got a nice little view of East Orangethorpe if you'd like to take a look at that. Now, we go to the important part of the shop. And this is our correction shop. So this is where all the dirty work's done for the most part. Everything from polishing, clean, and if we do interiors, anything that creates dust or dirt is going to be done in this area of the shop. Kind of why we dedicated it this way. In fact, as I speak, there is some paint correction going down behind me over here. This is Felipe. If you come to the shop, you're going to meet him. He's actually the shop manager. Over here is where we wash the cars. And once again, just like our Signal Hill shop, we are compliant. We reclaim all of our water and then we clean it before we discharge it into the system. So if you're not doing that, once again, you really should be. Those fines are not cheap. On to our air-conditioned correction and coating and tint room. Wait, no, that's wrong. Clear bra, ceramic coating and tint room. There you go. As you can see, I'm not even going to cut this. I'm just going to leave it just like that for you guys. So inside here is an air-conditioned room that stays nice and clean. And after we're all done getting them prepped, they come in here, they get clear bra like this car over here, or ceramic coating like this one over here. Oh yeah, side note, if you didn't know that you can ceramic coat a matte paint job, it is a game changer. If you have a matte paint job, get it ceramic coated. Maintaining this car after ceramic coating, worlds different than a factory matte paint job. It's so awesome. So if you have one, give us a call. We can definitely take care of it. We've done a ton of them. We're really good at it. That's about it for the tour. I mean, this is Anaheim. If you guys have any questions, DM us, give us a call. We love answering questions. There's no bad question. Have a great week, everyone.